A statement that talks of that appeasement politics that is being done by the MVA leaders after Revant Reddy endorsed that 4% Muslim quota pitch in the state of Maharashtra, the BJP calling out MVA for appeasement politics. Listen into that statement.
के मुख्यमंत्री रेवंत रेड्डी कहते हैं कि जैसे तेलंगाना में 4% मुस्लिम आरक्षण दिया है, वैसे ही अगर हमारी सरकार बनी तो महाराष्ट्र में हम इसको लागू करेंगे और इसके लिए चर्चा शुरू कर देंगे। मतलब कि आंबेडकर जी के संविधान के खिलाफ जाकर, जहां पर धार्मिक आरक्षण की कोई बात नहीं की जा सकती, वहां पर वो मुस्लिम आरक्षण देना चाहते हैं। और यही तो मांग थी 180 मुस्लिम तंजीमों की, उलेमा बोर्ड की, AIMPLB की, जो कहता है वोट जिहाद करना है, और हमारे सिपा सालार शरद पवार, हमारे अजीम सिपाही उद्धव ठाकरे, राहुल गांधी है। इसी एजेंडे को लागू करना और आंबेडकर जी और संविधान के खिलाफ जाकर लागू करना, क्योंकि धार्मिक आरक्षण पूरी तरह से प्रतिबंधित है।
The severe air pollution has triggered implementation of GRAP Stage 4 anti-pollution measures in Delhi and NCR. The air quality in the national capital has worsened with AQI reaching 1000 level in certain areas. The 8-point action plan aims to curb air pollution menace. Under this, diesel run medium and heavy goods vehicles would be banned, except those carrying essential goods. School and workplaces will face adjustments. Trucks carrying non-essential goods will be barred from entering the national capital. 100 cyclists cycled for 10 kilometers till Sham Bazar area in Kolkata, demanding justice for Abhaya, who was raped and murdered at Arjikar Hospital in the month of August this year. Every cyclist carried one torch during the procession. The rally was conducted to mark 100 days since the shocking rape and murder case. Hundreds of students held candlelight vigil in Pune, where a speeding Porsche car driven by a drunken teenager killed two IT professionals. Nearly 6 months ago, students from various colleges took part in this vigil, expressing grief and demanding justice for the deceased. During an encounter, Noida police shot two criminals in the leg and arrested them. The officials recovered jewelry worth 80 lakh and rupees 1.5 lakh cash. The police also recovered illegal weapons from their possession. 8 Maoists were arrested from the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. Officials also seized explosives from the arrested accused. Personnel also seized 3 tiffin bombs, wires and other materials after the arrest.